see, my truck is extremely loud. After I cammed it, I have yet to put I haven't made up my mind. I'm still doing research on what exhaust I'm gonna go with, but as y'all can see from the beginning of this clip, it is really loud. I don't know if the microphone picked up, but I crank this thing at 420, 430 every morning, except for weekends. I show too much, but I do live in apartments, and there's apartments on one side, and I can only imagine these poor people at 4:30 in the morning. I'm sure it had been a couple of people that called in and complained. But anyways, guys, today I'm gonna try and figure out a solution. I'm not gonna put the crazy exhaust system that I want to put on it, because one, it's out of my budget right now, I'm not gonna lie, and two, I don't know necessarily if that's what I want to go with. So this is option one. Pick up a stock muffler off of a Silverado, it doesn't really matter what year model, and throw it on here and put a cutout, which hopefully the muffler shop I'm going to has the cutout already in stock, or just putting a deeper tone muffler on it that the shop has. I guess we're just gonna go find out and see. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Before I quiet it down, I'm gonna go find like an empty parking lot and maybe get some clips. Let's roll out. It was kind of a cold start, so I don't think y'all were able to hear the cam, which it is a really baby cam. It's like, I think it's not the smallest one that they make, but it's damn near close to it. So let's go see what we can do, guys. We'll see y'all here on the next clip. Okay, so now that it's kind of warmed up, I'm going to get a better audio clip of this so y'all can hear it. Now that I'm thinking about it, before we go to the shop, I'm gonna call them and see if they have a stock muffler, or I might just show up because it's right down the road. So I guess let's go over there, and if they do have a stock muffler, I'll put a stock muffler on it with a cutout. That way, really, I mean, it'd be super. I mean, it might have a little rumble with the stock exhaust, with the stock muffler, but once I hit that cutout, the button, it'll open up to straight headers. And I don't know, I kind of like that. We can't tell this thing is cammed and it's got a big old motor in it. So enough talking, guys. I've already blabbed a lot. So let's go see what that shop can do for us. Okay, guys, so GPS says we're here, but this is not it. See, GPS says A&F muffler, TIG and welding shop, but that is not a muffler shop. This is a body shop, so I'm really confused. Muffler, but I guess they shut down. So we're gonna have to go either pick up an exhaust system off of Facebook Market to complete the video, or this is just gonna have to be a two-piece video. I'm gonna look up some more muffler shops here around my area. I really don't feel like driving 45 minutes to go somewhere, and it's already 4:22, so I'll be stuck in traffic. Okay, so this might have just turned into a two-part video, guys. I apologize for that, but I'm gonna put the camera aside and do some work, see what I gotta do. Damn, this sucks. Okay, all right, I'll pick up later, guys. Okay, guys, so I just pulled up to Ray's Mufflers here in Katy, I believe it is. They close at 5, so I'm just gonna run up there and see what they say. I'm not gonna take you guys with me because I don't want to rush it and just make it awkward. I don't think I'm gonna do it, guys, because that is just out of my budget, honestly. 360 with just the muffler and no tailpipes, nothing. Just to put it, slap a stock muffler that he has in the back onto this and weld it. That was 360. That's damn crazy. That's expensive. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go pick this up today, right now, after here. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna go set it aside after I pick this up, and then I'm gonna order myself the electric cutout, so it's straight header. And once that comes in, then I'll bring it to a muffler shop and pay maybe 150 bucks to get it installed. If that's steep. 360, that's crazy for a stock ass muffler. I just did the Facebook Market transaction. So this is off of a 2017 Silverado, and I told him it was gonna be a temporary fix, and he said, you know what? He said, you can just take it for free. So I found this for 40 bucks. It's the one that I recorded earlier, and I just met up with the guy. He said, man, I've had it for years, so I was gonna throw it away. He posted it for 40 bucks, and I offered him. I told him, I was like, you sure you don't want me to send you anything? And he's like, nah, dude, you're good. Now I'm gonna chop this video up right here, end it. We're gonna go eat dinner, maybe watch a movie, do some things. But wow, that's actually really sweet, really sweet, for the low price of $3.99. This being a daily, I'm kind of glad that I'm going this way. Maybe later on, once my YouTube career and my rapping career takes over and I'm making so much money that I don't have to work for a living and drive this every day for long distances, maybe then I'll put a crazy exhaust system like the one I want. But I know for sure on the OBS, I'm gonna go all out on that thing. CTSV, X pipe. Oh, I already know what I'm doing with that truck. But all right, guys, we'll see y'all on the next clip when I pick up. I hope you enjoy this. Peace out. Yo, what's up, guys? So this is day 2. I finally got all the parts. I found, I think I dropped off, where I picked up the muffler off of Facebook Market. Big shout out to that guy, because that was totally free. This is the last piece that I was waiting for, the electric cutout. It's currently lunchtime. It's like, yeah, it's lunchtime. So we're here in Galveston, Texas, and I'm gonna take it to a muffler shop. I called to get a quote, and I don't know what the hell is happening here. But yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna make this too long because the video is already long enough. So I'm just gonna go to the muffler shop, get it installed, and show you guys what it sounds like. Let's see what they say. Hopefully they can install the electric cutout as well. All right, here we go. Made it. Let's go see what they say. Wrong shop. I pulled up and I was like, David? And she said, David? She said, David's across the street. And I was like, oh, sorry, kind of awkward. Said you had to put on the lift and check it out. Here it is. Bam. Go check it. This is the cutout. I'll leave the link in the description. Hopefully y'all can see that. There's all the wiring for it. I'm gonna see if they can do that as well. If not, I'm just gonna do that myself some other day. But right now, kind of in a rush, so let's go ahead and take this to them and get out of here. All right, guys, what is up? We're back. So I picked up the truck. I literally just picked up the truck, maybe like 2 blocks over, at an AutoZone. I just walked out, guys. So let me tell you guys what happened. I picked it up. They charged me $278 to install the cutout. I really wish this wasn't rushed. But if you guys want to see another video on just the cutout, let me know. But but I'm about to show you guys. I just put a battery in this here at the AutoZone. I'm about to show you what it sounds like with it closed, and I haven't heard it yet. So they gave me the key fob, but they didn't put a battery in it. They did all the work, and they didn't put a battery in it, so I haven't heard it. I'm about to see what it sounds like. Here y'all can see the cutout. See? So they put the factory muffler, which is right there, off of a 2017 Silverado, and then the electric cutout, which is that piece right there. They just dumped it. I know right now it sounds really, really quiet. I'm about to show you guys what it sounds like, and we're both gonna hear what it sounds like with the valve open. So let's go ahead and get it started. Okay, I'm excited. Woo! My truck's a mess right now, guys. Okay, here we go. So this is with it closed. That's with it closed. I don't know if y'all can hear it. This is at the back. I told him not to run it all the way back to the back, just to dump it back here, the stock muffler. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah. So it literally goes right there with the dump. And that's as loud as it gets. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's quiet. All right. Now I'm about to open it up so I can hear it. Here's the key fob. Let's open it up. Yeah. Yeah, baby. All right, now I have to go to the track. So I do need to get out of here. This sounds fucking good. I hadn't heard it with the open headers. Right now that's straight open headers. No muffler, straight from the manifold headers, which I got long tubes on it, straight to the cutout. I think it's like a 2.5 inch cutout, but yeah, I need to roll out, because if not, I'm gonna be late to the track. But I do have to be at the track later today. That's why I'm rushing. I really kind of bummed about this video and how it turned out, because it's rushed. I feel like this video was just really, this part of it was really rushed. But if y'all want to see more of it, just let me know. I'll make a whole another video, straight exhaust, not me talking. I'll get straight to the point. But yeah, let's get a little rev. Get out of here. Let me get in here actually. They did really, really good work, guys. The shop here in Galveston did an amazing job. But all right, let's give it a little. Get the fuck out of here.
Were you done?
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good.
I was just trying to get some
No,
shade. That's so
you're good. Yeah, I know. I'm about to get out of here. You have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Guys, this thing is freaking amazing. Holy shit. This thing sounds freaking good. Holy crap. So if you've been keeping up, I had that cheap whatever muffler on it, Flowmasters, from when I bought the truck, from like 2000, whenever this truck was bought. Flowmasters, he pulled that off. I put the stock muffler. It is so quiet. It's like you get the best of both worlds. Oh my god. You can't hear anything. Oh my god, my neighbors are gonna love me again. Gosh, I hope my apartments are happy. This is crazy. With the push of a button, look. Nobody can tell. Nobody can tell that this bitch is cammed. Watch. And then, here's the button. Let's do a little. Guys, I'm about to get back on the road and pay attention to my driving and enjoy at my exhaust. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's go. All right, guys. So I just pulled up to, well, not just. I pulled up here not too long ago. Jody's got his rig over there. He's about to load up his Civic. There. Yeah. I'm about to show you guys now that I'm at an actual place where I can film comfortably what it sounds like. I put the my shotgun mic on the top so y'all can really hear it. So here's the key fob, and I'm about to open it up. Back up. All right, guys, that is it for this video. We're about to go to the track, and I'm gonna shoot some content for a performance shop here in Houston, and I'm excited about that. But yeah, I'm about to get cleaned up. Hopefully this video comes out good. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Hopefully I like it. If I like it enough, obviously you guys will be seeing it. If I don't, I probably will not post it. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know if y'all want to see just the exhaust without me talking, what I did to it, whatnot. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Let's go race.